Hello, this is Joshua Rigeru.
It's my second day of
Fixing the door power system, and I had to do lots of modifications here. This was defective, it wasn't working, and with that I had to do a couple of wiring to the switch. This is a module that finally worked well. It can be something that can last for a very long time. The module that I installed here is totally different. So there's something that I modified outrightly. The first thing is that I had to remove a holder of the window. For instance, let me show you that. You can see if I try to work on that, it's working perfectly. So I believe that doesn't have a problem. This module is mounted to hold the window as it goes up against this rubber, so I had to remove that because it won't work very well with this module of mine. The other things that I had to modify, of course, they were broken down, so I had to adapt this one. I haven't fixed it yet. It will be placed in a way, in a slanted manner, so at least it's easy for one to know the down button and the up button, especially the one that will be on the lower side. Could be the one that will be taking the mirror down, and the one that will be on the uppermost section, or maybe will be higher than the other one, will be the one to take the mirror up. With the button that I have installed here, it's working very well. I'm happy of it. My niche is not in mechanics. I'm an engineer, improving vehicles and making them be great and less consuming in terms of fuel. The next bit of work in the next video will be on repairing this radio.